How to run Stable Diffusion on a smartphone. Extremely simple. And yes, I don't mean apps that do it literally on your phone or with a paid subscription in the cloud. I'm talking about launching a full-fledged web UI interface with extensions and without any limitations. I understand that some will say I'm stating the obvious thing, but many people are completely unaware of this. You can run Stable Diffusion using Google Colab on your phone. Just follow the link I provided in the description under this video. It's a Google Colab notebook that I simplified specifically for phones with base model Realistic Vision V4. But you can download any model you want. To do this, simply go to Hugging Face or CVTI, copy the link to the model, and pass it here to this lonely cell. Well, the most important thing, press only this one button. That's all. Now we're installing all the requirements and models. It takes about 4 minutes. So we just need to wait a little bit. Now we can see our link. Follow this link. Gradual interface loading. And voila, we are in a web interface. Everything is just like on a PC, only adapted for the smartphone screen. So let's enter some prompt for the test. Let it be cat astronaut with some simple negative prompt. Ugly. Wait a bit. And yes, everything works. Don't forget to end the session. Since Google is providing you with a very powerful GPU and do it absolutely free, it won't be thrilled about it being idle, and maybe next time Google won't grant you GPU at all. Therefore, after you're finishing all your tasks, end the session. To do this, simply close the session properly. Press on time, manage sessions. There are all your sessions. Press this button in order to terminate your session and terminate. So now you can run Stable Diffusion anytime, anywhere using just your smartphone. And small FAQ. Do extensions work? Yes. Is it possible to add LoRa or VIE? Yes. Are there any disconnects? No, this is a special version of notebook that works stably without any disconnections. Can I support the channel? Yes. Please press the like button and let me know if this video was helpful for you. Bye bye.